What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are here to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin makes this whole engine run, right? It makes this entire market go. And it doesn't even matter if you are invested in Bitcoin or not, you should be aware of what's happening. And in this video, we're going to break things down, give you guys some information, some crucial tidbits here to give you guys a few things here. Number one, what's happening to Bitcoin? What's going on with its price, and it's tumbling down below 60K, and we have bounced back from that. So what's all happening there? Give you guys some information on that, and then also, where am I at right now? Sentiment, where we are currently with the price of Bitcoin. Should this be a time of worry? Should this be a time of opportunity? Right? Which one is being weighted more right now? So we're going to get into all of that. The overall market too, as well. In this video, we'll highlight some of the things there. And give you guys some information on that front. All I ask, guys, this is obviously for all of you. If you guys want to get back to the channel, there's two things you can do. You could subscribe and you can hit the like button. That definitely helps us out. Overall, the market down today, still at the time of this recording, about 4.69%. We do have a couple altcoins starting to move a little bit, but Bitcoin is holding up at 60,400 right now. Ethereum is holding up at 3,300 right now. Bitcoin did dip below 60K. Why? What happened? Well, we had more than $8 million in longs liquidated. But the bigger story here with Bitcoin and where the market is right now, we are in this capitulation phase, this consolidation happening right now. We have been trending and trading in this tight band, relatively tight band, for a little while, right? We're still within the bigger trend of 72,000 on the top side of that trend, all the way down to about 57,000 on the low, right? So we're still trading in this tight little range right now since ETFs went live. And as long as Bitcoin maintains its strength above the 200-day moving average, this is not a time of panic for me. And I don't think it should be for anybody else. Now, that 200-day moving average, you're probably asking, well, Zach, what is that? That's a key thing to know, right? I agree, 100%. That key range to know is $58,403. As long as we don't close, and what I mean by that is a daily candle close, like that day is over, as long as we don't close below that $58,400 mark, we are still trading within the range. So yes, we've dipped down for the third time since early May, under 60K. But at the end of the day, in the grand scheme of things here, this is a big opportunity, because when we broke through this level back in late February, we've only touched it 3 different times now under 60K. This is the third time we've seen it, but it's always bounced back from here. And we have Ethereum ETFs on the horizon. We have what I believe the back end of this year, which should be a really nice time for the overall market, just a better time for the overall economic environment, right? With Feds, their decisions with rates. In addition to that, we have the election cycle. Usually they'll try to prop things up and say, hey, look what we did, right? We're crushing it. And then overall, just the sentiment of the economic outlook does look better as we progress with inflation and all of that. So we're still in a really good spot there. Some cryptos did dip down to some key levels, I thought, today. Dogecoin dipping down below 12 cents. I did add more there. By the way, none of this is financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I did here and some of the feelings I have on the overall market. So I do really like that. Chainlink's down at $14.30. Still think it's severely undervalued down there. SUI dipped down at 77 cents. It's currently at 78 cents. We've seen it bounce off this multiple times. I think that's a really good target there. Just under a $2 billion market cap. SUI's ranked number 44. Injective is right there next to SUI. It's down at $21 and some change. I really like that as well. And then if you continue to go down the rest of the market, we've got Ondo Finance sitting here at $1.12. I'm loving the RWA space. Chainlink and Ondo are my 2 big plays there. So Ondo has been a big one. Brett's on a little bit of a pullback down to under 1.5 billion. I do like that as a long-term play. And Jasmy down at 2.5 cents. Thought that was another one that I should probably call out here, because that's another one I really, really like long-term. Strong community, strong narrative, especially with the news, Japan and Sony and them getting more interested in really fully adopting Bitcoin and crypto. So those are a couple things that are happening right now. Now, in addition to all of that, we did see Bitcoin spot ETFs in the United States have their first net outflow after 5 days of inflow. Okay, so that, and just coupled with, longs being liquidated, trading in this tight range. The moral of the story here, guys, is this, okay? And we're going to close out the video here very soon. So if you've stick around to the end, we appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. It does help us out tremendously. And after this video, drop a comment and give me your thoughts on all of this. So the moral of the story here is we're trading in a tight range here. This is not a time to panic. It's not a time to freak out for me, okay? I can only speak for myself. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. But for me, I am looking at this as a bigger opportunity. This is not time to panic. It's not time to sell all of my Bitcoin and freak out and think that it's all going to end, right? Especially looking at that 200-day moving average, okay? Even if that happens, I'm still going to be long Bitcoin because that's just where I am. I have strong conviction in this asset class. But that's the moral of the story. That's where we are right now. I appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you so much. Couldn't do this without you, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.